Well, hello. Welcome to English 1A. This is Danny Brown. Today is day 11. That means that next week is our test, and I will give you a test review paper. But today, first, let's study. We're going to study some verbs called modal verbs. And we're going to learn how to use them. Here we go. All right. After this test, I might drink a nice Coca-Cola to reward myself. We're talking about the word might today, might. Okay, let's talk about might. Might is a verb. It is called a modal verb. Modal verbs are should, must, might, can, will, etc. Might means かもしれない. John might drink a Coca-Cola. Now notice these points. We never put an S with might. John might drink a Coca-Cola. Or John might drinks a Coca-Cola. No S, okay? John might drink a Coca-Cola. Now also, we do not use a to. John might to drink. Cut the to, no to. John might drink a Coca-Cola. Now be careful with be. Many students make a mistake with be. And students say, John might be drink a Coca-Cola. There's usually no be. Sometimes there's a be. Okay, let me show you. If we say John is late, okay, this sentence can take be. We have be right there. Is means be. And it's John might be late. Do you understand? Is becomes be. But if there is no is or be in the first sentence, then after might, there is no be. Okay? All right. Now, after this video, you're to do Unit 30. The handout. Day 11, Murphy's Grammar, pages 60 and 61. You can do that soon, but let's continue our video. We're going to talk now about something a little different, a little more difficult than might. It's called guessing modals, right? Is. When we use is or are, it's 100%. It means I am sure. Must be means I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm sure, 95%. Okay. Might be 50%. Actually, it's 10 to 90%. It's just like, maybe かもしれません. Okay. And could it be is no. Moody. Look here. Here's a picture. You see this picture? What is it? Okay, Jim says, what is that? And John says, it is a wreath. Okay, is be. This is here. It means I feel 100% sure that this is a wreath. Okay? I'm not guessing. I am sure. What is that? It must be a wreath. Okay, the feeling has changed. Must be means I feel almost sure that it's a wreath. I am guessing. I'm guessing, but I feel strong about my guess. It might be a wreath. Now, this is かもしれない. Might be means I feel not sure that this is a wreath. Maybe, maybe not. This is really a guess. I feel no confidence. It couldn't be a wreath. Now, couldn't be means no. I feel sure this is not a wreath. I feel confident. We usually use couldn't be in conversation where someone says, I think it's a wreath. And the other person says, no, it couldn't be a wreath. So, moshi anata wa mae no hito, kaiwa chu mae no hito no ike no hantai shitara, couldn't be o tsukatta hou ga ii. Okay, let's take some examples. This machine is broken. Okay, now we're guessing. We're going to cut the word is and use must. What would we say? What would you say? This machine must be broken. Okay. Here's another one. Why does Tim have a helmet and gloves? Okay, I don't know. Tim may race cars. Now, may equals might. Tim might race cars. Tim may race cars, okay? And I'm guessing. Her car was a Jeep. Oh, what do you know? Past tense. Do you know past tense of might? What is past tense of might? Her car might have been. Okay, so might be changes past tense, might have been a Jeep. That's past. John ate the whole cake. Might past. What's the past? John might have. Now we don't need be because this is not be. See, this one is be. So might have been. But this one is not be, it's ate. John might have eaten, okay? John might have eaten the whole cake. That's how we do past tense. Okay, I want you to hand out day 11 guessing modal. So you have two things to do. One is unit 30 of Murphy's book, unit 30. And next, day 11 guessing modals. I want you to do both of those right now. Right now, do unit 30. All right, here it is. Unit 30, it's day 11, Murphy's Grammar, units 30, 32, 34. Do unit 30, read this. Be careful to look at may not. And then do page 61. This is unit 30 again. Do these, try to answer the questions. Do your best. Try to get 100%. When you finish, check the answers here in the back. There you go. There's the answers. Unit 30 right here and right here. Okay? Okay. Then after you finish that, I want you to do this next page, day 11 guessing modals, day 11 guessing modals. It says the next page of this paper has practice for guessing modals. And so what you do is you write the answers for this page, all right? And then you check the answers here. But don't look at the answers yet. Try to do it. Take a challenge. Try to answer it, right? Is, must be, might be, or couldn't be here. Okay, what's that dark thing in the water? A rock. Okay, write your answers. What's this below? Okay, look at these pictures. What are these? The first one, it says a faucet. Now a faucet is for water in your kitchen. Okay, that's a faucet is jaguchi. Light bulb is denkyu. Telephone is denwa. Radio is radio. Coin, I think you know coin. Wine glass, okay. A pen, okay. A watch. Watch is udetoke. And you can see right here the watch. Can you see that's a watch? And then a pocket knife. I think Japanese say poketo knife. Now look at this, the udetoke, okay? Can you see my watch right here? And here is the part that you see in the picture. It's right here, this circle here. You can see in the picture, they got a part of it, okay? And so you have to see the part and guess what is it. Okay, there's that part of the watch. So what is this? What is this? What is this? It's a part of something. Now, this one's difficult. This one, I'll give you a hint. You're looking from underneath like this. Okay? Okay, so each of these is just a part. What is it? Try to write your sentence, and don't give up too quickly. Write your sentence and then check the answers at the end. And then write, you can use is, okay, it might be a watch. If you feel sure, yes, I know, you can say it is a watch, okay? It is a watch. But if you feel like, oh, probably, yeah, I think so, it must be a watch. But if you think, I don't know, maybe, you can say it might be a watch. So try to choose these words carefully. Probably you will not use couldn't be. Okay, when you finish this, send this to me. Send it to me by Google Classroom today. Okay, just show me that you wrote all the answers, and I'll check that you wrote all the answers. Okay, now we're finished for this, so do those 2 assignments now, and then when you finish, we'll go to video 2. This is video 1, and I'll see you in a minute on video 2.